A roll-forming machine is a device that shapes metal sheets into desired cross-sectional profiles through a series of continuous rolling processes. It is widely used in various industries for mass production of metal components with consistent cross-sections. Working principle of roll-forming machine. The working principle of a roll-forming machine involves passing a metal sheet through multiple pairs of forming rolls in sequence. Each pair of rolls applies a small amount of deformation to the metal, gradually bending it into the desired cross-sectional shape. The process is continuous, allowing for high-speed production of long metal profiles. Roll-forming machines are commonly used in the following fields: automotive industry, construction industry, metal processing industry, appliance industry, appliances,